Hey, it's Lorne here. I'm here with Peter Papasak, and we're here. I can actually see Peter. Hey, tell us about this awesome home that you got.
Well, welcome to this beautiful house, 1061 Lorne Park Road in Lorne Park. And actually, if you turn around, your steps to the lake, and literally 5 minutes to the lake. The bottom there is Lakeshore, and you got Rattray, Marsh, and Jack Darling Park at the bottom there. So you have your steps to the lake there. So really great location. And if you turn around, you got the Taglias and grocery stores and Lorne Park High School. You got all the amenities down that way. There's a restaurant. It's a really good walking distance to all the amenities.
Amazing.
Yeah, and then I'll take you through here around the side, because this house has a really nice backyard lifestyle setup. You can actually use this as a driveway to drive a car. This could all be opened up, and then you can use this garage as a car parking garage. It's being used. Yeah, so you have this side yard space where you can drive your car down. It's paved asphalt, fresh asphalt there, and you can access this garage. It's currently being used as a hobby garage, so he's got his little boat in there, and it's kind of a crafts room. But you can actually use this as a full car parking garage.
Yeah.
Then this is the pool.
This is
it.
it.
This is it, right? Great lifestyle. You got a nice pool, back porch. There's a walk up as well from the basement. So if you wanted to do that basement apartment rental, you could do that, offset some of those costs. So that back door there comes up from the basement.
Gotcha.
And then you have that main floor back door comes to the back porch. So it has a income potential. You don't have to use it that way. It's you don't have to have tenants, but if you wanted to, you could accommodate that.
Amazing.
Yeah, and then this is all been renovated, so you have a really nice updated kitchen, high ceilings as well.
Very nice. Very nice.
So
Look at this.
look
Look at this.
Breakfast unit. That.
For all our wine bottles. I love it. Love it.
Yeah. And then to your right there, that was the access to the basement. And then here you have the breakfast table, dining room area, office. And we came in through the back. So this is the family room, and then that's the front door there with the front hall closet.
Awesome.
So nice space here, really relaxing. Great views. Nice windows.
Gas fireplace.
Gas fireplace.
Very nice.
There's 2 bedrooms, one upstairs. There's basically 2 masters, one upstairs, and then the main master is on the main floor, which I'll show you in a second. But this is an addition that we put on. It's great for guests or whatever. If you have an older kid, wanted some separation, some privacy.
Yeah.
Walk-in closet, has his own ensuite. But this is
Beautiful.
really geared towards downsizers,
Yeah.
empty nesters, or a very young family, 1 kid, something like that,
Yeah.
or just a couple, right?
Yeah. I really like the first floor living.
Yeah, the main floor,
that's-
this is all the main floor living. That's really just kind of a guest or slash, secondary auxiliary bedroom. But taking you over here, this is the master wing. So you have master bedroom, laundry, laundry main floor, full bathroom, shower, tub, all nicely updated too. Good size, big, and the master bedroom overlooking the backyard with the pool. New windows, it's turnkey basically.
Amazing. Like I said, I think we're gonna stop this tour now because I'm gonna buy it.
Yeah.
Right. So.
I love it.
Oh, look at that view.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Lorne, you're the best out there.
You're
If
teasing.
you're looking for financing, you're the guy.
Oh, you're teasing. Thank you.
No, you're 100%. Anyways, thank you, Lorne, for taking the
Awesome.
tour.
So that's it. That's great. I really appreciate it. This was awesome.
Yeah. Lorne, thank you. Appreciate
Awesome.
it.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
guys.